Hey Google, what's my name?
Your name is Matthew.
Let's see, should I go to the gym today? Heads, yes. Tails, no. Hey Google, flip a coin.
Sure. You got heads.
Ugh. Hey Google, what's the weather?
Currently in Walnut Creek, it's 42 with showers. There will be showers today with a forecasted high of 58 and a low of 54. There is currently a high wind warning in effect.
Hey Google, what's my schedule tomorrow?
Tomorrow, there's only one thing. It's at 10 a.m. and its title is Brunch at Shell.
Hey Google, play Sweet Child of Mine on the soundbar.
All right, Sweet Child of Mine from Spotify. Playing on soundbar.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, add bacon and lettuce and cheese to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added bacon, lettuce, and cheese to your shopping list.
Hey Google, show Costa Rica photos on the Chromecast.
Showing your photos of Costa Rica on Matthew's Chromecast.
Hey Google, play Narcos on Netflix on the Chromecast.
Sure, Narcos from Netflix. Playing on Matthew's Chromecast.
Hey Google, stop. Hey Google, play Hot Country.
Sure, here's your Spotify playlist called Hot Country.
Hey Google, what's the volume?
The volume is currently set to level 6.
Hey Google, lower it to level 3.
Sorry, I can't help with that yet.
Hey Google, lower the volume to level 3.